Magic inspires,
excites,
connects,
educates.
We bring the entire fashion industry together. If your business is fashion, then Magic is the show you should be attending, and here's why.
Sourcing at Magic is the place to discover the newest innovative solutions coming online for the footwear and apparel supply chain industry. Learn from and network with industry leaders in our exclusive workshops and seminars. Over 1,000 factories, suppliers, fabric mills, and high-tech service providers from 35 countries will be at the show. We showcase the newest manufacturing and digital technologies, from 3D body scanning, digital printing options, on-demand manufacturing models, and a host of more sustainable methods of manufacturing. Top brands that regularly attend Magic are leading the sustainability wave. Levi Strauss, Gap, Kohl's, Target, VF Corp, Vans, Costco, and Walmart, just to name a few. The industry's major players attend Sourcing at Magic for education and opportunities. Sourcing means trend and new fabric development. Creative members of our community are the beginning of the supply chain, and Sourcing at Magic recognizes this in several ways. First, we have exhibits from Fashion Snoops and Pantone, two of the industry leaders in trend and color. We also have a strong fabric and fashion trim zone within the show that features many of the best production fabric mills, trim factories, and other fashion findings that can help a designer differentiate. What's new this season? Sourcing at Magic this season will be located at the Pavilion across the street from Mandalay Bay Convention Center. Shuttles run every 5 to 10 minutes for your convenience, and it's approximately a 15-minute walk. The Denim District will be located in Mandalay Bay Convention Center on the second floor, adjacent to all of our men's brands. Footwear sourcing is located in the Mandalay Bay Convention Center on the third floor.
In addition to networking opportunities, happy hours, and celeb appearances, Magic offers a vast array of educational seminars. These sessions benefit attendees, new and returning, who want to brush up on best practices, new trends, conscious fashion, and so much more. The future of fashion is not tomorrow, it's now, and these sessions can really elevate your business.
For the ultimate on-site experience, download the Magic Las Vegas mobile app today. The app is an amazing tool. Access your virtual badge, search by brand category, country of origin, and our interactive maps. Discover seminars and create your own personal agenda, all in the palm of your hand. Download the Magic Las Vegas app today through Google Play for Android or App Store for iPhone.